going on? Once again, this is Langston 2092, and I want to show you all how to make a veggie black bean burger. So we're gonna start off like this. You're gonna need these ingredients. You're gonna need some paprika, chili powder, cumin, garlic salt, quinoa flakes, olive oil, ketchup, pre-cooked onions, pre-cooked green peppers, pre-cooked brown rice, chopped up spinach, chopped up tomatoes, chopped up red onions, and of course the black beans, pre-cooked black beans. We make our own bread, so this is homemade, no milk, no eggs. You're gonna need some hamburger rolls, whether you make them yourself or you buy them from the store. Now, if you want the recipe to everything, just let me know and I'll definitely give it to you. Now, for our fries, we got it in the refrigerator, or rather the freezer. We homemade, made our own fries with that, as well. So let's put all these ingredients together. Let's get it popping. So the first thing we're gonna do is put our brown rice in there, along with black beans. You wanna make even them out. You know what I'm saying? You don't wanna put too much of anything in there. Stir this up. And while we're stirring it up, we're gonna throw in our olive oil. You don't want to put a lot of olive oil in there. Just want to put enough. Bow, take that, baby. Here you go. Here you go. Take that. Yeah, there you go. Take it. And then we're gonna put in our garlic salt. Just enough. Not a lot. Just enough. Bow, take that. Here, take that. Here, you can take that too. Oh, you want some more? Here, take that. There you go. Bow. And we're gonna stir this up just for a couple of seconds. Now we're gonna throw in our green peppers. Bow. Take that. Take it. Stir that up a little bit. Bow, we're gonna put in our onions. Take that, baby. Let's put that burger in there. We're gonna treat this just like a regular hamburger. So you're gonna round it up. Bow. While this is cooking, we're gonna get the fries out. Look at that. Nice golden brown. Okay, now we're gonna flip it. While that's cooking, we're gonna saute our onions. Okay? We're done. This is it. Look at that. So I use spinach instead of lettuce. Iceberg lettuce. Tomatoes, sauteed onions, black bean burger, fries. Sweet Jesus. Sweet Jesus. I'm gonna taste this burger. Ooh, look at that shit. How you gonna tell me that being a vegetarian ain't good? Shit. Take me. Don't take me. God. Listen. Leave comments. Tell me if you tried it out and if you liked it. This is Langston 2092. I gotta get back to work, baby. Shit.